Hey, what's up, everybody? We got some news for you. We just picked up a 2 acre parcel in Ocean View. Uh, we just closed on it. This is a view from our drone. There's a shack on it. And what we're planning on doing here is planting some fruit trees, some vegetables. Uh, we picked a wetter area so we can grow more food. We don't plan on living here, but we do plan on raising the things that we can't do at our tiny house in Miloli'i, just due to water. So we're flying the drone around the shack. Those trees there are the invasive Christmasberry. We're thinking of either cutting them down or cutting them back. We are planning on grading a new driveway because we can't get a car down the existing driveway, well, two-wheel drive. And we are going to flatten out some land further down past the trees on the left, which is some A'a lava. And we have something special planned, which will keep you informed. Well, this is a short view of our new little shack and our new lot. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. That'll help us out. And aloha.